Today I'm going to be talking about the Morpheus API gateway and how you can create a user and create your API key. So the Morpheus API gateway is a front-end service to connect you to the Morpheus compute router and a very easy way to use. What I'm going to show you now is the Swagger UI. We're in the process of implementing a new website and front end for you to be able to easily create your user authentication, create your API keys all in a nice little platform. So you should be seeing that coming out soon. For now, we're going to use api.more.org/docs, and we'll go through it this way. First thing you're going to do is authenticate. So you're going to create a user in the system. We'll call this demo1. And you just execute that API call. You'll see that our user was created in the system. Next thing we're going to do is log in, just like you would on any other platform when you're going to, get into their portal. So we'll just do the password that we set. And you'll see that we logged in and we got an access token. Like I mentioned, this usually happens behind the scenes in normal platforms that you have to type in your username and password. And it's just so that anyone who doesn't authenticate properly can't go in and create API keys or do any of these other transactions. So now that we have our authentication token, we're just going to go over to API v1 auth keys to the post section. We're going to drop in our authentication token. And then we're just going to create a key. Let's call it demo1 and execute it. You'll see that the key was created. Now, if you want to use this key, you just simply go into whichever AI integration you want to use. You put in the API key, you put in the base URL that we have right here, and you'll be ready to go. One thing that I like to recommend is that after we've done this, we should just set our automation settings if we choose to. Automation is valuable because it will create a session on your behalf with a provider hosting the model you're looking for if you don't have one created already. So there's kind of two ways to do this. One is that you can manually set up all your sessions, or you can let the system do it for you based on the provider with the highest ranking. So you just go in, if you have your API key and your base URL, you can make a chat completions request, and automation will really do the rest for you. So just make sure this is enabled, and then you can set your session duration. Usually people will do a day or any time up to a week. So let's just execute that. We'll see that it went through properly, and now you're ready to go. Thanks for watching the video today, and good luck.